Hello guys, in this video I will show how to get Burst of Life skin in Kingshot. Let's get started. First, open Kingshot on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into the correct account. To check, go to Settings Arrow Account and confirm you're connected to the right platform and character. Next, open your Governor profile from the top left corner, tap Skins, and scroll under Town Skins until you find Burst of Life. This skin gives a 5% boost to resource gathering speed. To unlock it, join the Burst of Life event. You'll need to earn 4 million power points by completing various tasks like upgrading heroes and buildings. Tap Go beside each task to progress. Once you reach the required points, the Burst of Life skin will be unlocked and ready to use, giving you that extra boost in the game. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.